I will unbox this gorgeous package. I have bought one orchid. It is an amazing one, and at the end of the video I want to share with you some of my thoughts, and actually I pretty much want your opinion because I want to change quite a few things about my channel, and I'm curious what you people think about that, and if you think it's a good idea or not. But in my opinion, I think will be only some improvements. So let's open it up. My cat is very happy, and she is running and running. I already can see that the package is, or the orchid is packed in some beautiful wrapping paper, which is nice. I bought this orchid from Romania, from a local seller, let's say. And they are called Floreria Design Floral, but they are only shipping in Romania, so yeah. Alrighty. And as usual, they tie it in place with a gargle tie on the back, so it doesn't move. Tied up here as well, so I'll cut this too. Oh, I wasn't really expecting the orchid to be so tall, honestly. It is an amazing orchid, and soon we will see how healthy it is. Okay. Oh my god, it's a tall one, look at that. And it's so heavy, I can barely hold it. Oh my god, you have to see this. Look what she is doing. I bought a new glass vase, the one in the back from the Vanda. Like, I hope you can see, and she is in love with that box. She has been sleeping in it for the past 24 hours. It is playing with it. Like, boxes are the heaven of cats. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I don't want to damage it. I really didn't think it's so tall. I even broke a flower. Oopsie, I really forgot you are not in focus anymore here. And it's so fragrant, it's so beautiful. I even know the idea of this orchid. I think it's a Dendrobium Emperor something. I will put you the name on the screen because it is the first time I have this orchid, so yeah. My cat is crazy. All the noise that she's making, it's when she is running. I can... Well, really, at this point I will just sit on and try to unwrap it because it's too heavy and I'm afraid I will break it, so I will try to put it like that and see what we can do about that. The tag. I really want to be careful because I don't want to break any roots. And she's already a very unstable orchid because it's very heavy. I have done. So it was so well packed that I took the sellotape together with the pot. Oh my gosh, it has such a healthy root system, guys. What do you think? I'm trying to work with one hand and release the pot because I need it. I need the orchid back in its pot here. We'll try not to harm any roots, but at this point I am amazed. Look at this. I will go now and put the orchid on a table and show you exactly there how it looks like. Very beautiful one. There you go, you can see how big it is. It is very, very tall. I will go right now next to it, and it is right under my breast. That is how tall the orchid is. It is amazing. I really love it. I don't really remember its idea right now, but I will find it and put you on the screen. It is a gorgeous orchid, and it has plenty of nodes where it didn't yet bloomed from, so I won't be cutting those canes anytime soon until they don't consume all the reserves, let's say. It is a gorgeous orchid. It is quite similar with the other one, Akatsuki something. I don't remember how it was called, but that one doesn't have this dark eye inside the lip, and it is a gorgeous one because here you can see it has the burgundy, very dark actually, burgundy color inside the lip. Then it has a very, very pretty and deep yellow color surrounded by some white, and then again the purple. So it's quite amazing. The fragrance is amazing, and you can see I really like nobiles which have this dark circle or eye inside the lip, because I don't know, I think it makes a great contrast. Now I will see how exactly I will arrange them, and yeah, I will make sure to do some follow-up videos. I will show you how I will repot it. It is very pot bound, so okay, hold on, my phone is ringing. So I feel that if I appear in front of the camera too, we will get to know each other better, we will communicate better, and you will get to receive more informations, we will have a better connection. So that is what I am thinking about, to change on my orchid videos. And yeah, like if I make the videos as a blog, let's say, I don't know, I feel that we will be more like friends and not just Miracle Orchids and showing her orchids, let's say. So that is what I'm thinking about. I am not really ready to do that today because I need to see where I will film, and you will have to see a nice background behind me, so you can see a more professional like video. And that is what I'm thinking. I won't appear on all my videos, let's say, maybe more in my intros and outros, and when I am doing stuff with my orchids, cutting leaves, cleaning, watering, I don't know, fertilizing, all sorts of things. So let me know what you think about this. Let me know if that sounds to you like a good idea, and we'll see each other later. Alright guys, if you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!